even more innovative applications emerge. The factory of the future will be characterized by intelligent automation, data-driven decision-making, and seamless human-machine collaboration. One of the most promising areas of development is the creation of self-optimizing factories. These factories will use AI to continuously monitor and adjust production processes in real time, optimizing for efficiency, quality, and cost. AI-powered systems will be able to anticipate and respond to changes in demand, supply chain disruptions, and even equipment malfunctions. Another exciting development is the rise of digital twins. A digital twin is a virtual representation of a physical asset, such as a production line or an entire factory. By using AI to analyze data from the physical asset, the digital twin can simulate different scenarios and predict how changes will impact the real-world system. This allows engineers to test new ideas, optimize processes, and troubleshoot problems in a safe and controlled environment. While the potential benefits of AI in industrial engineering are vast, it is essential to acknowledge the challenges and considerations associated with its adoption. Implementing AI solutions requires significant investment in technology, infrastructure, and expertise. Companies need to carefully assess their needs, resources, and long-term goals before embarking on an AI implementation journey. Data security and privacy are paramount concerns when deploying AI systems. Ensuring the ethical use of AI is another important consideration. As AI systems become more sophisticated, it is essential to establish clear ethical guidelines and governance frameworks to prevent unintended consequences. Moreover, the workforce needs to be prepared for the changing nature of work in an AI-driven era. Companies need to invest in training and reskilling programs to equip their employees with the skills and knowledge necessary to thrive in a more technologically advanced workplace. Addressing these challenges is crucial for the successful adoption and integration of AI into industrial engineering. The integration of AI into industrial engineering is revolutionizing production processes and reshaping the industrial landscape. From optimizing production lines to enhancing worker safety, AI-powered tools offer unprecedented opportunities for efficiency, productivity, and innovation. As AI technologies continue to advance, we can expect to see even more transformative applications emerge, leading to smarter, more agile, and more resilient industrial operations. By embracing the AI revolution, businesses can unlock new possibilities for growth, competitiveness, and sustainability. However, it is essential to approach AI adoption strategically, addressing the challenges and considerations associated with data security, ethical implications, and workforce readiness. By fostering a culture of innovation, collaboration, and continuous learning, companies can navigate the evolving landscape of industrial engineering and harness the full potential of AI to drive future success. By embracing the transformative power of AI, businesses can position themselves at the forefront of industrial progress and shape a more efficient, productive, and sustainable